Hi guys, sorry I've not picked up the camera recently, but today I thought I'd document this one. So, in today we've got it's just a Range Rover Sport, but it's in this lovely blue, in for 4-year ceramic coatings. So I'll flip the camera around and show you around it. So yeah, here she is. It's a car I've maintained since brand new. However, it has been to dealers for washing on a service wash, etc. It's in pretty good condition. As you can see, there's not that many swirl marks on it. So it's single stage machine polish. There's a couple of deep scratches that need to get out that I've noticed. But yeah, it should be a quite nice one to do. Also, as you can see, I've recently had the floor in the unit resin coated, so by a company called Abacus Flooring. So it's rather glossy as well, so should make photos look stunning. Will be a logo going down on here on Tuesday, so tomorrow. But I'll show you some more once I get polishing. See you in a bit. So I'd show you some before polishing bits on here. So as you can see, there's a few slight swirly light scratches. Some of this will be from hedges and all sorts, and then the other bits will probably be from dealer washing it with a brush, which is more than likely. That's just water residue there. But yeah, it's polishing up well. But let's try and get the clarity back into these panels. As you can see, it is polishing up lovely. Bonnet's all done as well. But yeah, we're getting there. So I'll show you some more in a bit. There we go, this door is now polished. And this is a little bit of refining. Majority of the marks have come out, as you can see. Very glossy. Just need to do in the door handle. But, and the sill. The sill's not done yet. As you can see, the sill's still got swirl marks all over it. But I'll show you some more in a bit. Right guys, so I've now polished on the single stage front wing door all the way back up to the rear quarter. The worst bit, as you probably saw in the video clip before this, was here where the filler cap gets dropped and swings around. But all the scratches from that have now come out, as you can see. All the sills have been done as well, underneath as well, all the way along. It has got the retractable side steps on, so they're a bit shorter than they usually are. Just got to polish door handles, in the door handles, mirror, and then the black plastics on here and those ones up on the bonnet. Rear lights need doing. Still got the rear bumper, passenger side, front bumper, and then all of the black roof, B pillars, A pillars, spoiler. But it is panoramic roof up there, so up here. So I don't have to polish that bit, but this bit here is like a piano black, as is all of that. So all that would need polishing. So I'll get cracking on the other side, then I'll do the rear, front, roof, and then refine it with I think I'm going to use Uno Pure from Rupes, just to get it looking perfect. and then get it coated. So I'll show you some more in a bit. So guys, the car is now all complete with single stage machine polish and all of the coatings. So it's had a ZQ9H 4-year ceramic coating from Zirconite, which is fully guaranteed. And then on top of that, I've put a 12-month coating, also from Zirconite ZC Boosta, which, if the car's topped up every year with that, it can make the 4-year coating last 10 years. Not that many people keep their cars for that length of time. Yeah, so we've done all of that. The only thing I haven't done is I've not coated the wheels because they're going in for refurb, so I'll coat them once it comes back. I've also coated all the leather inside and fabrics, so they're back to looking how they should. So yeah, it's a lot nicer than it was when it came in. However, I do maintain this monthly, so we'll be able to keep on top of it from now on. So cue the montage. Also, for anyone interested, the graphics are now down on the floor and looking very nice. So thanks to Abacus Flooring for the flooring, and then we've had the graphics done through Abacus Flooring by Pulse brand Fleet Solutions. They're the ones who came and laid the floor, the vinyl. So thank you to those guys.